Failed to synchronize data for cross-platform error in Rainbow Six Siege is usually related to Ubisoft Connect, server sync issues, or corrupted local cloud data. Follow these fixes in order: simple, advanced. Shash Quick Fizz. Do these first. Check Ubisoft server status. Sometimes this error is not your fault. If Ubisoft Connect or R6 servers are down, synchronization will fail. Wait 10 to 30 minutes and try again. Restart Ubisoft Connect portant 1. Close Rainbow Six Siege. 2. Exit Ubisoft Connect completely. 3. Open Task Manager. 4. End these processes. Ubisoft Connect, Ubisoft Game Launcher, Ubisoft Web Core. 5. Reopen Ubisoft Connect as administrator. 6. Launch the game. Disable VPN and proxy. Turn off VPN. Turn off proxy. Restart your router. Wait 2 minutes. Ubisoft Cloud Sync often fails on VPN networks. Advanced fixes, most effective. Turn off Cloud Sync, temporary fix. This fixes the error for many users. 1. Open Ubisoft Connect. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Enable Cloud Save Synchronization. 4. Restart Ubisoft Connect. 5. Launch Rainbow Six Siege. You won't lose progress. Data is still stored locally. Delete corrupted cloud cache. This is one of the best fixes. 1. Close Ubisoft Connect. 2. Press Win plus R. 3. Paste. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Delete everything inside the folder. 5. Restart Ubisoft Connect. 6. Launch the game. Verify game files. If sync data is mismatched, verification helps. Ubisoft Connect, Library, Rainbow Six Siege Properties, Verify Files. Steam, right-click R6, Properties, Installed Files, Verify. Network and system fixes. Sync Windows time and date. Incorrect system time causes cloud sync failure. 1. Settings, time and language. 2. Enable set time automatically, set time zone automatically. 3. Click Sync Now, change DNS recommended. 1. Network settings, adapter options. 2. Right-click your network, properties. 3. IPv4 use DNS. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Restart PC. Run Ubisoft Connect and game as admin. Right-click ubisoftconnect.exe, run as administrator. Do the same for rainbow6.exe. Last resort fix. 1. Relogin Ubisoft account. 1. Sign out of Ubisoft Connect. 2. Close the launcher. 3. Restart PC. 4. Login again. 5. Launch the game. Important notes. This error does not mean your account is banned. Your progress is usually safe. Most cases are Ubisoft server-side sync issues. Best working fix. Most users. Delete cache plus disable cloud sync.